Okay, all you physics experts and pursuers, I have a question for you. I My question is, how far away do you have to be from our universe to never see or receive any particles confirmation of our universe? So say you're a person and then past the edge of our event horizon, how far would you have to be away to have a chance of not seeing our universe? That's my question. Now, my understanding of this question, why I ask it, is because my understanding is we have our universe is ever expanding. It has an event horizon. On that event horizon is probably the earliest particles, I imagine, of our universe, whether they be photons, light emitted from all the galaxies in our universe going outwards. I imagine there must be some point way far away where those photons would diverge because they're all clustered up. There's particles in space, even though we think space is a vacuum, there's particles in space. But those are ever so growing wider that they must eventually diverge to have a space between those particles that never get hit. Now, I want to know how far away to have maybe a 50-50 chance that you even see our universe, because a photon never hits that area. So it like diverges, and there's there's millions of photons that are going out in like 1 square foot or whatever, I don't know, square meter, but then they diverge even more, and like maybe there's half of that, then half of that, then half of that. What point will it get to the point where there's one lonely photon or like light particle going through and it misses you, and all of the other ones miss you as well, so you never see the existence of our universe? I want to know, just this might be a statistical probability of that happening, because our universe is ever growing, and of course maybe the first wave of photons that are on the edge of our universe pass you by and you don't see it. But what if the next one passes you by? I'm trying to kind of think of that instance. Well, I'm trying to the reason why I'm trying to think of the answer to this question. I'd love to make a story, maybe a story where I want maybe a galaxy of its own past our event horizon that never seen our universe to exist, and when you look in the night sky, there's only a couple stars in your own galaxy. Maybe that's it. Maybe one star. Maybe you're a solar system. There's only one star that exists. So it's a dark night sky and only one star exists because you don't see any photons of it from any other galaxies. No other universe has even touched you yet. You're in your own existence. I kind of want to write a story about something like that. But yes, that's a question for all you physics nerds out there. And I don't know, maybe this might hit some other physics channels that could answer this question for me, because I'm just really curious. I love thinking about physics, talking about physics. I'm still trying to understand how time dilation works, because I want to also write some stories about that. But yes, answer that question for me. I really kind of wonder, because I just imagine, these are galaxies ever growing, but when you're growing, there must be a point at which where that just things diverge to the point where they just can't see each other. And I kind of want to know how far that way that might be. So maybe I can write that scientifically into a book or story. So yeah, like and subscribe if you kind of like these kind of ideas. I might have future ideas like this. But yeah, comment down below if you're a physics person that can answer that question. I'd love to hear it. Yeah. Thanks for watching.